My name is Kerry Elliott. I work with Global Television. I've been there just about 10 years now. I have a wife. We don't have kids. We have two parrots, which I find it's fun, but almost as busy as kids, so it keeps us really, really occupied. We love to travel, ski, anything to do in the water. Water sports are great. We're very active, but we're also happy to be very lazy when we can. I was diagnosed with diabetes when I first turned 15 years old. I had started to feel really sick. We thought it was a flu at first. Finally, my mother took me into the hospital and they diagnosed me with type 1 diabetes. It was incredibly scary. It also, when you realize you're going to have it forever, you get very angry. It's just such a big rock to have to push up the hill every day. I think that takes a while. You get to the acceptance area, you start really focusing on taking care of yourself and just move on. Dr. Shapiro is the physician who's heading up the islet transplant team and the stem cell transplant team. He's a physician at the university. He deals primarily with transplants, but now, I guess about 20 years ago, got heavily into diabetes research.
So stem cell transplantation has always been the potential future. If we were to treat all the patients in the world with type 1 and type 2 diabetes, there are millions of patients out there that need cell transplants in the future. There'll never be enough organ donors to address that big need. So we've been looking for a long time at potential approaches, either xenotransplants, so cells from animals, or stem cell transplants using human cells. When you transplant those cells, they transform over about 2 months into insulin-producing cells and can cure diabetes in mice. So it's been a very exciting journey to see that move forward, very cautiously I would add, because this is the first in-human trial. Stem cells have never been used in this way before in patients. To begin a first-in-human trial here at the university involving stem cells. This is the next wave. It's terribly exciting.
This was the first kickoff phase. This is the safety study. And what this allows them to do is find out, is this something that potentially could work in diabetics? And with this research, they can go on to phase 2, phase 3, and eventually, hopefully, cure diabetes with this. And it was just exciting to be a part of that, that maybe down the road, they'll have a cure for it that I actually help play even a small role in.
This is why I tell the patients involved, for example, in the stem cell trials that we're doing now, tell them that this treatment in itself, right now, may not help you, but it is designed to help mankind and take a treatment today to a potential cure tomorrow.
I would say to anyone on the fence about this, go in, meet with the team, talk to them, find out more about it. Talk to Shapiro's team, get my contact, reach out to me. I'm happy to talk to you. I think it's a great opportunity to really further the potential curing of diabetes. Be the cure.
Be the cure.